Hey there, welcome to our video on how to start an automated faceless YouTube channel and earn money from it. If you're looking for a way to make passive income on YouTube without showing your face, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to create an automated faceless YouTube channel, and we'll give you 10 examples of trendy niches that you can try. Creating an automated faceless YouTube channel can be a great way to earn passive income while still pursuing your passions. By choosing a niche that you're interested in, creating engaging content, and automating your channel, you can build a successful YouTube channel and make a lot of money from it without ever showing your face. So, let's get started. An automated YouTube channel is a channel that is run using automated tools and software. This means that the content creation, publishing, and promotion process is largely automated, allowing the channel owner to focus on other aspects of their business or personal life. The idea behind an automated YouTube channel is to create a system that generates passive income without requiring constant attention and effort. This is achieved by using a combination of tools and strategies to automate different aspects of the channel. One of the key tools used in creating an automated YouTube channel is a scheduling tool. This allows you to schedule your content in advance, ensuring that your videos are published on a regular schedule without requiring constant manual effort. You can also use tools to optimize your videos for search engines, such as optimizing your tags and titles, and using keyword research to find popular topics in your niche. Another important tool for automating your YouTube channel is social media automation tools. By using tools like Hootsuite or Buffer, you can automate the process of promoting your videos on social media, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your channel. So, let's talk about a step-by-step guide for starting a successful automated faceless YouTube channel. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step to creating an automated faceless YouTube channel is to choose your niche. When it comes to choosing a niche for your automated YouTube channel, it's important to choose a topic that you're passionate about and that has a sizable audience. Some popular automated niches include gaming, beauty, ASMR, cooking, fitness, travel, DIY, unboxing, product reviews, and educational content. Step 2. Create your channel. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create your channel. Head over to YouTube and click on the Create a Channel button. From here, you'll be able to create a channel name, add a profile picture, and create a banner. Step 3. Create your content. Now that you have your niche and channel set up, it's time to create your content. You can create videos using stock footage, royalty-free music, and voiceover narration. You can also use video editing software to create engaging videos that will keep your audience coming back for more. Step 4. Automate your channel. The final step is to automate your channel. You can do this by using a tool like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to schedule your videos, optimize your tags and titles, and track your analytics. You can also use social media to promote your channel and drive traffic to your videos. If you're creating an automated YouTube channel in a popular niche, it's important to find ways to make your channel stand out from the competition. Here are some tips for making your automated channel stand out. Number 1. Find a unique angle. Look for a unique angle or perspective within your niche that hasn't been explored by other channels. This could be a unique format, a different style of content, or a niche within the niche that hasn't been explored. Number 2. Focus on quality. Just because your channel is automated doesn't mean it should be low quality. Make sure your videos are well produced, with high quality footage and engaging voiceovers. This will help your channel stand out from the competition. Number 3. Build a brand. Create a strong brand for your channel, with a consistent look and feel across all your videos. This will help your channel stand out and make it easier for viewers to remember your channel. Number 4. Engage with your audience. Even though your channel is automated, it's still important to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create polls or surveys to get your viewers involved in the content creation process. Number 5. Use SEO strategies. Use SEO strategies like keyword research, optimize titles and tags, and descriptions to help your videos rank higher in search results. This will help your channel get more visibility and attract more viewers. Number 6. Promote your channel. Use social media and other marketing channels to promote your channel and reach a wider audience. This will help you attract more viewers and build a loyal fan base. Overall, an automated YouTube channel can be a great way to generate passive income while still pursuing your passions. By using the right tools and strategies, you can create a successful channel that generates revenue for years to come. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to start an automated faceless YouTube channel and earn money from it. Remember, the key to success is to choose a niche that you're passionate about, create engaging content, and automate your channel. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating your YouTube channel today. Thanks for watching our video on how to start an automated faceless YouTube channel and earn money from it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And as always, stay tuned for more great content.